Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy on Etsy, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in etsy.com and make a search. Log into your account and the home page of Etsy's account will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on the product that you'd like to buy. On the next page, select your primary color and tap on Add to Basket option. You can also click on Buy It Now. Select your address and tap on Dispatch Here. Enter your card details and tap on Review Your Order. You can either pay with PayPal or Google Pay. Make sure that you tick mark on the box to confirm that your billing address is same as your delivery address. This is how you can buy on Etsy quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.